Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 core in a session October-November 2022 Paper 1-1. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1, write the number 2,840,327 in figures. Number 2, write down the mathematical name of this type of angle. So this angle is more than 90, so its name is obtuse angle. Question number 3, part A, measure the length of this line in millimeter. Okay, let me measure in millimeters. This is in millimeters. So this is 70 millimeters. Yes, you can see from this point to this is a 70 millimeters. Part B, draw a line perpendicular to this line. Okay, the line which is perpendicular to this, first we need to find the midpoint of this line. Midpoint of 70 is 35, which is 70 divided by 2. Yes, it's 35, and 35 is over here, and we need to just draw the perpendicular bisector, perpendicular line. Yes, let me draw the line. This is a line which is perpendicular to the given line. Question number 4, in triangle PQR, PR is 5 cm and QR is 4 cm. Use a ruler and compasses only. Construct triangle PQR. Leave in your construction arcs the side PQ have been drawn for you. Okay, PQ is already drawn, so P to R is 5 cm. Okay, let me draw the arc of 5 centimeters. This is centimeters, right? You can see. Let me open the compass. Yes, you guys can see this is, no, it's a little bit more. So we have, this is exactly 5 centimeter. From P to R, this is 5 centimeter, and Q to R is 4 centimeter. Let me close it a little bit. It's more. It's more than 4. It's again less. Wait, let me open till 4. This is 4 centimeter. Yes, so Q to R is 4 centimeter, and their point of intersection is the point R, right? So this is a triangle PQR. All right, now for question number 5, write down a common multiple of 18 and 24. So here you can write down any common multiple. So if I can list the multiples of 18, we have 18 and 36, 54, 72, 90, and so on. For 24, 24, 48, 72, and so on. So we have the common multiple 72. You can list any common multiple. Question number 6, write 32 centimeter as a fraction of 2 meters. Give your answer in its simplest form. All right. So we know that 1 centimeter is equals to 1 meter has 100 centimeters. 1 meter, sorry. So 2 meter is equals to 200 centimeters. So we can write down 32 centimeters as a fraction of 2 meters. Converting meters into centimeters, so 32 centimeters over 200 centimeters. Cancel the centimeters. Now in its simplest form, 32 over 200 is, which is 4 by 25. All right. Question number 7. The temperature in degrees Celsius is recorded at the same time in 6 cities. Okay. Part A, which city has the coldest temperature? The coldest one is with negative. So -5 is the coldest, which is Oslo. Now for part B, what is the difference in temperature between Helsinki and Paris? Okay, Helsinki and the Paris. The difference in temperature, which is 7 for Paris, -2 for the other one. So we have 7 plus 2, which is 9 degree. Question number 8. The diagram shows two straight lines intersecting two parallel lines. This is a straight line, this is a straight line. They intersect the two parallel lines. Find the value of x. Okay, so if I can see at this line, when the line intersect two parallel lines, so this angle and this angle are the alternate angles. So these two angles are same, which is 55 degrees. And the angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So we can say that x plus 55 plus 71, the sum of all three is 180 degree. So we can solve for x, which is 180 minus 55 minus 71. Okay, let me calculate this. 180 minus 55 minus 71, which is 54 degrees, is x. Question number 9. Divide $200 in the ratio 7:3. Okay, so the total are 200. This is going to divide with the total ratio 7 plus 3, which is 10, right? And 200 divided by 10 is 20, right? Now we can find what is 7 times 20 and what is 3 times of 20. 7 times 20 is 140 and 3 times 20 is 60, right? Question number 10. The birth weight in kilograms of 11 babies are recorded. Part A. Complete the stamp and leaf diagram to show this information. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's start with this 2.1, 1.6, 2.7, 4.2, 4.0, 2.2, 3.1, 1.7, 2.6, 3.3, and 3.7. All right. Okay, the next one is part B. Find the median. Median is the middle value. But first we need to arrange the values, right? So the first value is 1.6, 1.7, 2.1, 2.2, 2.6, 2.7, and then 3.1, 3 and 7, 3.1, 3.3, and 3.7, and 4.0 and 4.2. Let me find the middle value. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 1. So 2.7 is the middle. 2.7 kilograms is the median. Question number 11. Victoria records the color of each of 240 cars leaving a car park. Some of this information is shown in the pie chart. Okay, blue, green. Part A. Show that 60 cards are blue. So the blue cards are 90 degree. 60 cards are blue. So 90 degree out of the total 360 degree, multiply the total cards, which are 240. Let me calculate. 90 divides 360, multiply 240, which is 60 degree. Yeah, 60, sorry. So the 60 cards are blue. Now for part B, the rest of the cards are either red or white. 110 cards are red. Complete the pie chart to show this information. Okay, let me find the angle for the red cards, right? So we have given that red cards are 110. Okay, so if I can say red cards are 110, this is equals to the angle divides the total pie chart, which is 360, multiplied by 240. Right, let me calculate the angle for this one. So 110 times 360 degree and divided by 240. This is the angle for the red, and the other one is the white, right? Okay, 110 times 360 divides 240, which is 165. So angle is 165 degree for red, and the other one is white. Okay, let me complete the pie chart. Let me measure the angle 165. Okay, so this is 90, 100 and 165, 160, 65 is over here. This is for red and the other one is white. All right. Question number 12. The price of a computer is $520. This price is reduced by 15% in the sale. Work out the sale price. Okay, so sale price is basically equals to the original price, which is 520, minus the reduction, which is 15% of the original price. 15% times the original is 520. Okay, so 520 minus 15 over 100 times 520. Let's calculate this. So we have 15 divides 100 times 520, and 520 minus answer, which is 442. $442 is the sale price after 15% reduction. Question number 13. Without using calculator, work out 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6. You must show all your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. All right. Without using calculator, so first we need to make the denominator same. So 1 over 3, 3 times 2 makes 6, times by 2 plus 5 by 6. So here we have 2 over 6 plus 5 over 6, and then we add 5 plus 2, which is 7 over 6, and in mixed number we have 1 over 6 is the answer. 1 whole 1/6. Question number 14. Mario test new cars. The probability that the car is faulty 0.04. Part A, find the probability that the car is not faulty. So probability of not faulty is 1 minus probability of faulty. Right. So we have 1 minus 0.04, which is 0.96. All right. Part B, in 1 week, Mario tests 850 cars. Find the number of cars that are expected to be faulty. So faulty are 0.04 and times by the total cars, 850. 0.04 times 850, which is 34. So the number of cars that are expected to be faulty are 34 cars. Question number 15. A cafe sells 330 sandwiches. This is 11 over 14 of the sandwiches they make, right? So 330 is basically 11 over 14 of the sandwiches they make. Work out the number of sandwiches the cafe makes, right? So this is 330 times 14 over 11. So 330 times 14 divided by 11 is 420. So the total sandwiches the cafe make is 420. Question number 16, part A. Complete the table of values for y equals to 5 over x. Okay, So x equals to -4 is 5 by -4, which is minus 1.25, and x equals to 4 is 5 by 4, which is 1.25. All right. Part B, on the grid, draw the graph of y equals to 5 by x for x is between -5 to -1 and x is between 1 to 5. All right. So we have the table of values, just sketch it. So at when x is -5, y value is -1. We have downward this point, -4 minus 1.25. This is -1. The difference is this is 1.2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So this is 1, 1.2, and 1.25 in the middle. Negative 2.5, it's negative 2. When x is -2.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2.2, 4, and 5. It's -2. This point. Okay. For -2, it's -2.5. -2, -2, 2.2, 2.4, and 2.5. All right. -1, it's -5. -1, it is -5 downward. Okay, so for 1 it is 5 at the top. 1 is 5. For 2, 2.5. 2, 4, and 2.5. For 2.5, 2, 4, 2.5, it is 2. Okay, this point. At 4 we have 1.25. This is 1, 1.2, 1.4, 1.25. At 5 it is just 1. Let me connect all the points to get a smooth curve. Okay. All right. So this is the graph for y equals to 5 over x. Question number 17, part A, 3, 9, 27, 81. Write down the term-to-term rule of this sequence. Okay, so we know that 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. So it is times by 3 each time. This is a term-to-term rule. Part B, find the nth term of this sequence. All right. So for nth term, first we need to find the difference between the terms. 17 minus 13, which is 4. Adding 4. 21 minus 17 is again adding 4. And in 21 and 25 is adding 4. So we have to add 4. So it is 4n plus something. So when n is 1, so we have 4 times 1 is 4 plus something, that makes 13. So if I can do 4 plus 9 makes 13. So plus 9. For the second term, 4 times 2 plus 9, which is 17. 4 times 3 plus 9, which is 21. Right? So the nth term formula for the sequence is 4n plus 9. Question number 18. The Venn diagram shows the element of the set, the universal set P and Q. Complete the statement. Part A. P is equals to. The set P is A, B, C, D. The elements are A, B, C, and D. Okay, now for part B, number of P union Q. So P union Q, how many elements are in P union Q? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are in P union Q. Question number 19, the bearing of A from B is 137 degrees. Find the bearing of B from A. Let me draw this situation. So they are basically saying that if we have a point A and B and the two north lines, these are the two north lines that are parallel, the bearing of A from B. So from north line of B to A, this is 137 degrees. We need to find the bearing of B from A. So B from A. So this whole angle we need to find. All right, so as we can see, this is a straight line, and the two parallel lines intersect that straight line. So these are alternate angles, 137 degrees, and the straight line is 180 degree. So this bearing is 180 plus 137, which is 317 degrees. Question number 20, part A. Write this number in standard form. So let me move 1, 2, and 3 units. So we have 2.73 times 10 exponent negative 3 because we are moving to the right. Part B. Sam has to answer this question. Calculate the product. Give your answer in standard form. Correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, let me calculate this first. 9,306 times 4,532, which is equals to 421,74792. Okay, so we need to find the answer up to 3 significant figures. So 1, 2, and 3. So 3 significant figures are 4, 2, and 2. This is 3 significant figures, and we need to write down in standard form as well. So for standard form, we have to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So times 10 power 7. This is a correct answer. Sam write 42 point, this is decimal point is over here, 42.1 times 10 power 6 as his answer to the question. What two errors has Sam made? Error 1 and error 2. Okay, so the first error is, first he did 42.1 is not 3 significant figures. Rounded to 3 significant is not rounded to 3 significant figures, right? This is the first error. And the second error is the standard form. 42.1 times 10 power 6 is not the correct standard form. All right. Question number 21. The triangle ABC is mathematically similar to triangle DEF. Find BC. BC we have to calculate. Let's say this is x. So BC is x over EF, which is 4. This would be equals to AB, which is 51, over DE, which is 6. So if they are mathematically similar, the ratio of the corresponding sides are same. So what is x? X is 51 over 6 and times by 4. 51 divided 6 times by 4 is 34 centimeters. Question number 22. The diagram shows a right angle triangle. Okay, show that the value of x is 15.8. Correct to 3 significant figures. So if it is a right angle triangle, we have the angle x. We can use the trigonometric ratios, right? So the opposite and the adjacent and hypotenuse. So we can use tangent. We can say tan 48 degrees is opposite side is 17.5 centimeter over the adjacent side is x centimeter. So we can calculate x by doing 17.5 divides tangent of 48 degrees, right? Let me calculate in degrees. Okay, so 17.5 divides tangent 48, which is 15.75, which is 15.75, and up to 3 significant figures, the answer is 15.8. You can round it to 15.8. So x value is 15.8. Question number 23. Natalia buys 4 tomato plants and 3 pepper plants for $9.35. Okay, Samir buys 2 potato plants and 11 pepper plants for $16.55. Write down a pair of simultaneous equations and solve them to find the cost of 1 tomato plant and the cost of 1 pepper plant. You must show all your working. So the two equations are 4 tomatoes T plus 3 pepper, this is 9.35, and 2 tomatoes plus 11 pepper, this is 16.55. Let me times the second equation by negative of 2 and then add the two equations, right? So we have 4t plus 3p equals to 9.35. 2 times 2 is minus 40. 11 times 2 is minus 22 p, and minus 2 times 16.55, which is negative 33.10. Now let me add the two equations. We can cancel this out. So we have 3 minus 22, which is minus 19p. This is with negative sign, sorry. And 9.35 minus 33.1, which is minus 23.75, and this is dividing by minus 19, so p is 1.25. So the price of one paper plant is $1.25. Now let me calculate the price for the tomato plant. So we have 4t plus 3 times of 1.25 put into the first or second equation is 9.35. So 4t, this would be 9.35 subtract 3 times 1.25, which is 3.75. 9.35 minus 3.75. 4t is 5.6, and t would be equals to 5.6 divided by 4, which is 1.4. So the price of one tomato plant is $1.40. So that is the last question of our paper. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.